So we then switched to a pure iron gall ink. So again, insular work showed both carbon and iron gall mixed with that. There were a number of transitional things, but by the time we get primarily to the 7th, 8th century, and mostly starts to transition in the 5th century as well, we see mostly pure iron gall being used because they realized it worked fine. So carbon ink, keeping carbon with the iron gall gives you a blacker black when you first write, but that iron gall oxidizes to a dark black over time if you have enough of the iron and the gall in there. Also, there's fermentation processes that allow it to get blacker and bluer black, and it gives you something that's not going to scrape off the page and flake off the page. It binds more permanently with parchment. With that hide, the tannin in that actually gives it a much better adherence and actually chemically bonds to that complex. Can bind to the skin, and so you get a more permanent ink that generally lasts longer.